When people think about moving, they often focus on what they're leaving behind. But what if your next move wasn't about giving something up? What if it was about gaining something even better? Welcome to the Heather Gardens community. This isn't just a two-bedroom, two-bath condo. It's a place where life becomes a little easier, a little lighter, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Imagine waking up each morning, pouring a cup of coffee, and relaxing on your enclosed lanai while the day begins around you. No yard work to worry about, no endless home maintenance, just time to enjoy the things that matter the most. Comfortable one-level living with spacious rooms designed for everyday comfort. It's a home that's easy to care for, leaving you more time to spend doing what you love. An entirely new lifestyle awaits. Play a round of golf with friends, swim a few laps, join a pickleball game, take an art class, or attend a concert, meet neighbors for coffee, or simply enjoy a peaceful walk through our beautifully maintained grounds. Heather Gardens isn't just a neighborhood, it's a community where friendships are formed, laughter is shared, and every day offers something new to experience. Whether you're ready to simplify your life, downsize without compromise, or simply surround yourself with people who enjoy living life to the fullest, this home offers the opportunity to begin your next chapter with confidence. If you've been waiting for the right place to call home, this might be the one.